Yay! Starlings in the aperture. Having on worms. Get the TV in the background. Oh well, I tried. Had a look, had a look. Sparrows around the place. Rainy today, Toshy Fluck. Toshy Fluck. Ah, imagine afternoon Saturday, Trinona Saturn, this Saturn. Oh, but the birds, let's move up here. Birds like it, no wind, no wind. See the main feeders there. Oh, they're having a lovely time there. Oh, several of them. And on the main feeder, woo. Oh, something getting closer. Oh, a bit blurry, bit blurry. Little rub, little rub. Yeah, maybe not. Let's see, sorry about that, Okay. Oh, see, there's the view. There's worms in that, mealworms in that. And the sparrows are up there. Oh, it's so blurry, what? Yeah, there you go. Bit better. And no washing out because it's raining. That's a fluck. Oh, and dove. Oh, dove in my hand. Dove. Dove. I'm going inside now to watch my football for the day. Yeah. But the main thing not of me is this hotel. I built this hotel and no one uses it. Not yet anyway. Not yet. They might. Oh, she got fluck. And I'm going to watch my longer videos, Beta go wild. Oh, there's two doves. They're two little doves. And look, they're chasing each other, yeah. Lovely to see the doves. And there they go, off they go, thank you. There are 2 minutes with the birds, thank you. Oh, hang on, let's go back over here for a second. Oh yeah, no, up a bit, a bit. Yeah, he's having his bit of bread, having a bit of bread. Now what's he having? I don't know. Oh well, there's plenty of food out there anyway, so and there's, wait a minute, we got a bonus. Oh, she's gone. Oh no, where did this starling come out of? It was a tit. Oh look, let's see now. There's worms in that. Oh, I've got to steady myself up here. Go on, have a go, go on. Oh no, you have a go down there, no. It's safe, it's perfectly safe. So it is. And we've got another nutter at the back there. Right, should I stop this now? Oh God. Another dove up there. And go. Bye. Oh, where did we win, Nutter? Go on, get her, jump on her. Get her, go on. Get her, she wants it, go on. Go on, get him, go on, get her, go on. Dee 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 dee, yeah, be the blackbird too, I know where he be. He be eating all your leaves.